Hey friends, if Windows search is not finding files from Google Drive, then please watch this video. Now here's one thing that you need to understand. If you search the Microsoft Store for Google Drive, then you will not even find it here. I'll show you. Search for Google Drive, you will not find it in the list because Microsoft does not want to promote Google products, and even if you install it, you will have it won't be enabled by default. So here's what you can do. Okay, search for Google Drive for desktop. Google Drive for desktop. Hit enter. Now you have to go to this option. Use Google Drive for desktop. Okay, and you may find this download link here. So click on download for Windows and then click on open. It will need a few seconds to install it. I'll show you the whole procedure. It will need a while, but I will guide you through the steps slowly. So right now we are just installing it. Okay, I'll click on the setup here, and then just click on install, and it will start installing it on your system. And once it installs, then you can click on launch. Okay, now once it is launched, you just need to launch it once. It will be installed into the computer. Now select indexing options, and then now search for it in indexing options in the Windows search bar, and go to indexing options, click on modify, expand local C drive, and if you find Google Drive here, okay, then you can select it. So we don't find Google Drive here, so I will expand program files and check if I have it in that. Okay, in the Google Updater. Wait, no, we don't have Google Drive here. Let us check program files. Let us check Google. We have Google File Stream. So I will check this one, and then I will click on OK. Then I will click on close. And now once I'm logged in, I will be able to search for documents which are on my Google Drive on the accounts that I have logged in. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video. I will guide you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.